Welcome to part 2. In this video, we are going to dive deeper into BSc courses, giving you a clear overview of the many options available under the Bachelor of Science umbrella. But before we jump into the actual sections, let us tell you something about us. This channel is run by two of us who followed very different academic paths. One of us came through the BSc MSc and went on to pursue a PhD in bioinformatics at Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. The other followed the BTech MTech PhD path with experimental biology research at the National University of Singapore. We study science in different ways, but we both share a deep love for it, and we have been exactly where you are now, searching for direction. The path for either of us wasn't always perfect or rosy, and we are not here to glorify science or make it sound like the perfect path. It's fascinating and meaningful if you are passionate about science, but it's not an easy ride. This video isn't about ranking degrees or pushing a single path. It's here to help you understand the wide variety of subjects available, especially if biology and science genuinely excites you. Now, back to science. BSc courses are the foundation of science, whether it's decoding DNA, exploring black holes, fighting climate change, or powering AI. These degrees are gateways to discovery and global impact. From biology to physics, chemistry to math, BSc grads are often the quiet force behind the breakthroughs that shape our world. If you are someone who constantly asks, "Why does this happen?" who enjoys diving deep into ideas, reading, researching, and figuring things out, then a BSc or BSMS dual degree program might be for you. Before we dive into the course list, a quick reminder. As always, the different courses are timestamped below, and we have added a reality check at the end to talk about the challenges no one usually mentions before choosing a BSc. Let's dive into the courses now. Life Sciences. Life Sciences is the foundation of biology, a broad exploratory course that lets you experience a little of everything from genes to ecosystems. It's perfect if you are curious about biology but not ready to pick a specialization yet. In theory, you will learn how living systems work at every level, starting with molecules and cells and moving up to organ systems, populations, and evolution. Depending on your track, you might focus more on plants or animals, exploring their physiology, diversity, and role in the natural world. In labs, you will get hands-on with microscopy, dissection, genetic experiments, ecological surveys, and molecular techniques. The practical work builds core biological skills used across research, teaching, healthcare, and biotech. Most graduates go on to specialize further, pursuing a master's in fields like genetics, microbiology, or environmental science. If you are looking to build a strong conceptual base before diving into a focused career or research path, Life Sciences is the solid start. Genetics. Genetics is the study of heredity, how traits or characters are passed down from one generation to the next. This is a specialized course that dives deep into the mechanisms of inheritance and genetic variation. In theory, you will study how genes work, from cell biology and development to genetic engineering, human disorders, and evolution. You will also explore gene regulation, computational genetics, and how DNA gets repaired or disrupted. In labs, you will extract DNA, run PCR, perform karyotyping, and modify bacteria through gene cloning and mutation. You will also work on microbial genetics, population studies, and hands-on plant breeding techniques. A BSc in genetics is perfect for those who love theory, discovery, and research. You can make a career in genetic or medical research, forensic science, and plant breeding. Microbiology. Microbiology is the science of the unseen. It's the study of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and all the microscopic life forms that quietly control everything, from causing pandemics to helping make bread and antibiotics. In theory, you will study microbes in all contexts, from infectious diseases to their roles in industry, agriculture, food safety, and the environment. You will dive into microbial genetics, immunology, fermentation, and the fascinating world of viruses. In labs, you will culture microbes, stain and observe them under the microscope, and perform biochemical tests and microbial assays. You will also practice aseptic techniques, microbial enumeration, and handle real-world samples for diagnostic or industrial analysis. Career-wise, you could work in clinical labs, vaccine production, food industries, or environmental monitoring. It is a specialized track, so if you are fascinated by the microbial world, this path could be yours. Biochemistry. Every living thing is like a tiny chemical engine, and to truly understand life, biochemistry is key. It's the study of the chemistry behind living organisms. In theory, you will study the chemistry of life, covering biomolecules, cell biology, enzymology, metabolism, clinical biochemistry, and pharmacology. You will learn how biochemical processes power cells and how imbalances lead to disease. In labs, you will analyze different biomolecules, purify DNA and enzymes using chromatography and spectrophotometry. You will also run enzyme assays and immunodiagnostic tests to investigate biochemical activity in health and disease. Biochemistry opens doors to careers in medical research, clinical diagnostics, pharmaceuticals and biotech, and even in cosmetic industries. It's a core subject for anyone considering advanced studies in molecular biology, genetics, or biotechnology. Biomedical science. Biomedical science focuses on understanding the biology behind human health and disease. In theory, you will study how the human body functions and what goes wrong in disease, covering everything from cells and organs to infections and drug action. You will gain a deep understanding of the biological mechanisms behind diagnostics, pathology, and treatment. In labs, you will learn techniques used in hospitals and research, from analyzing blood and tissue samples to studying genes and microbes. You will work with real diagnostic instruments, mastering the skills needed for clinical labs, medical research, and future advanced studies. If you are interested in medical research, clinical labs, or want a foundation for future studies like MSc or even medicine, this is a great choice. Nursing. Nursing isn't just about patient care. It's about combining medical science with compassion on the front lines of healthcare. In theory, you will study how the human body works, how diseases affect it, and how to care for patients with different medical needs. You will also learn about medications, infection control, mental health, and how to support individuals and communities through every stage of life. In labs and clinical rotations, you will learn to perform essential procedures like monitoring vital signs, giving injections, managing wounds, and assisting in childbirth. You will work in real hospital settings across departments like pediatrics, mental health, emergency care, and surgery, gaining both hands-on skills and the confidence to care for patients in critical situations. Graduates become registered nurses and can work in hospitals, ICUs, clinics, schools, or community health settings with strong global demand through exams like the NCLX. With experience, you can specialize in areas like critical care, midwifery, or pursue advanced roles through MSc Nursing or hospital administration. Psychology. It's the scientific study of behavior, emotions, and mental processes. And with growing focus on mental health worldwide, it's more relevant than ever. In theory, you will study topics like how we learn and remember, cognitive psychology, how we grow and change, developmental psychology, and how biology and behavior connect, biopsychology. You will also learn to interpret human behavior through statistics, research methods, counseling frameworks, and the study of mental disorders. In practicals, you will conduct psychological assessments, use software tools to analyze behavioral data, and work on real-life case studies to understand people in context. These exercises build your skills in observation, diagnosis, and research, essential for any applied psychology career. Depending on your interest, you could explore careers in clinical psychology, forensic psychology, counseling, or even public policy and education. Neuroscience. If you ever wondered how memory works, what causes depression, or how neurons communicate in milliseconds, BSc Neuroscience is your gateway to the most complex system we know, the human brain. In theory, you will explore how the brain is built and how it communicates, right from the level of individual neurons to complex behaviors like memory and decision-making. Along the way, you will also touch on how the brain develops and how chemicals influence mood and function, and how scientists study neurological disorders through data and molecular clues. In labs, you will get hands-on with real brain and spinal cord tissues, learning to observe neurons under the microscope and record their electrical signals. You will also simulate how drugs affect the brain, study behavior in experimental setups, and explore imaging techniques used to visualize the nervous system. Graduates can pursue careers in research, clinical neuroscience, or pharmaceutical R&D. With a master's or PhD, you can specialize in neurodegeneration, brain-computer interfaces, or the biology behind thought and emotion, making this one of the most exciting frontiers in science. Forensic science. If you love crime shows but want the real science behind the scenes, BSc Forensic Science might be your perfect match. In theory, you will learn how science helps unravel the truth behind crimes by analyzing biological evidence, chemicals, fingerprints, digital data, and even human behavior. You will also explore how forensic techniques are applied in real investigations, how evidence is handled legally, and how science supports justice in the courtroom. In the lab, you will get hands-on experience examining crime scenes, developing fingerprints, analyzing blood stains, and extracting DNA to identify suspects. You will also work with toxicology tests, document verification, and digital forensic tools, learning how to turn physical and digital clues into reliable evidence. Graduates can work in crime investigation units, forensic labs, police departments, cybercrime cells, and even private investigation firms. With further specialization, you can move into forensic psychology, wildlife forensic, or digital forensics. It's a field that combines biology, chemistry, law, and a lot of problem solving. Agriculture and horticulture sciences. These branches apply science to grow better crops, protect plants, and feed the world more sustainably. In theory, you will learn how to grow healthier, more resilient crops by studying plant biology, genetics, pest control, and sustainable farming practices. You will also explore how soil, water, and economics shape modern agriculture and food production. In labs and fieldwork, you will test seeds, analyze soil and water quality, and apply fertilizers and pest management strategies. You will also get hands-on with plant breeding, diagnose plant diseases, and conduct real field surveys to solve agriculture challenges. With a degree in agriculture or horticulture sciences, you can work in agri-research, agri-business, food quality, and post-harvest management, landscape design, or rural development. As demand grows for climate-smart and sustainable farming, this field offers real opportunities to make a global impact. Ecology and environmental sciences may sound similar, but they are not the same. BSc in Ecology is all about life and interactions in nature. You will study how species survive, compete, and coexist within ecosystems. It's deeply biological with a focus on biodiversity, wildlife conservation, and how organisms respond to environmental change. BSc in Environmental Sciences takes a broader view. It combines biology, chemistry, geology, and even policy. So you will study pollution, climate change, sustainability, and how human activities impact the planet. Both courses offer hands-on training in labs and fieldwork, like species surveys, water and soil testing, pollution analysis, and GIS mapping. Career-wise, ecologists often work in conservation, wildlife research, or biodiversity projects, while environmental scientists might work in pollution control, climate policy, or sustainability consulting. If you love nature and want to protect it, these paths let you make a real difference, but in a slightly different way. Marine biology. Marine biology is the science of ocean life, from tiny plankton to giant whales, focusing on how marine ecosystems work and why they matter for the planet. In theory, you will learn how the ocean works as a living system, covering how marine species evolve, interact, and respond to environmental stress. You will also explore how humans rely on the ocean for resources like food, and how sustainable practices like aquaculture and conservation can protect marine biodiversity. In labs, you will study marine samples, investigate seawater chemistry and microbes, and practice methods used in fisheries and aquaculture. You may also gain field experience with techniques like underwater sampling, biodiversity surveys, or research abroad vessels. Graduates often go into marine research, conservation projects, fisheries management, or work with aquariums and marine parks. If the ocean fascinates you and you love the idea of outdoor science, you can consider this course. A BSc in biology-related fields can open up your world, but it won't hand you everything on a platter. This path teaches you how science actually works, slow, methodical, and often uncertain, but endlessly fascinating. You will learn how to ask better questions, read between the lines of a research paper, and recognize that evidence, not opinion, is what drives understanding. The strength of a BSc is in its depth and versatility. You are not locked into one outcome. You could go into genetics, neuroscience, public health, ecology, or dozens of other fields. But that flexibility comes with a cost. You have to carve your own direction. It's not a professionally packaged degree. You won't come out job ready unless you put in extra effort by doing internships, exploring labs, gaining software skills, or volunteering in field projects. This is a builder's degree, not a shortcut. And the early years may feel slow. It's not as market driven as coding or finance, but it has something they don't: a chance to contribute to problems that matter in healthcare, food security, conservation, mental health, and beyond. If you are here for quick results, this may test your patience. But if you are in it for the long game and you are willing to grow steadily, think deeply, and build skills by skill, this path can lead to some of the most meaningful work out there. Ask yourself, am I okay with taking the slower, harder path if it means passionately doing work that matters? If the answer is yes, then a BSc could be the start of your training as a thinker, explorer, and change maker. And if you are still unsure, ask questions, talk to seniors, professors, or reach out to researchers. We certainly don't know everything, but if you think we can help, feel free to drop your questions in the comments. If this video helped you navigate the academic maze a little better, share it with someone else who might benefit from it. We also create videos that break down biotech and biology concepts in simple terms. So if that sounds interesting, explore our channel and take a look.